Howdy, partners. It's your old pal, Cowboy Jack. I'm here today to take you on a trip to an amazing place full of sunshine, sand, cactus, and some very unusual animals. But before we go, let's make sure y'all prepared now.
Okay! All right.
Did you wear your most comfortable boots so your feet won't get sore?
Yeah!
Did you remember to fill up your canteens with plenty of fresh water to drink?
Yeah!
We good, cause it's gonna be a hot one. Did you bring your cowboy hat?
You bet, Cowboy Jack!
Well, then put them on and saddle up, cause today we're going to the desert.
Yeah! Let's go!
Did you ever get to see a javelina? It happened to me once, late at night. I was walking with my pup when one jumped out of the mud. He wasn't alone, they chased us home, what a fright. But we got to see a javelina. It is sunny, you bet, the starry nights are better yet. But you never know what else you'll get in the desert. What else you'll get in the desert. Have you ever been attacked by a cactus? It happened to me not long ago. I was hiking with my dog when she sniffed her way headlong into a cholla. It caught hold of her nose. We were attacked by a cactus. It is sunny, you bet, the starry nights are better yet. But you never know what else you'll get in the desert. What else you'll get in the desert. Heard a lonely coyote. It happened as the sun set in the west. I was taking out the trash when I saw a shadow make a dash. I heard a ooh, and then I knew I had met a very lonely coyote. The starry nights are better yet. But you never know what else you'll get in the desert. What else you'll get in the desert. It is sunny, you bet, the starry nights are better yet. But you never know what else you'll get in the desert. What else you'll get in the desert.
Did y'all have fun?
Yeehaw!
Did you get to see a cactus?
Yeah, did I?
How about that javelina?
Wow, awesome!
Can you make it sound like a coyote? Hey, that's pretty good. Well, I gotta hit the trail. See y'all next time.